I'm in California where it never rains. You and I were fighting and I needed space. Every day is sunny, oh that's what they say. Since I landed here it's raining every day. You and I are stormy too. Wonder if I'm free.
Okay, so here we are on the river today, on the River Eden, heading from Lazonby down to Armathwaite. It's a really good level today. It's probably 1.9 to 2 meters. I expect now it is probably dropping off slightly as the day goes on. It's not completely bank full. With us today we've got Dwayne behind us, Chris, Adam and John. We're going to run the river as textbook style as we can, breaking out above rapids, going down one at a time, and then breaking back in below them, just to be on the safe side. So enjoy watching the trip. Lumpy.
Yeah.
Sorry, mate.
Pouring into mine, eh?
Yeah.
Get there eventually.
You've got to be very relaxed, haven't you?
Yeah.
Remember these, I wouldn't want to be that tandem. We'd have been in by now.
It's fun to watch the guy at the front looking at it.
But then again, you see people paddling these with full expedition kits in Canada and that, and they're paddling big rivers, you know, big bouncy rivers.
Yeah, they know what they're doing.
Yeah. Definitely got the old adrenaline. Through the trees. There's Chris, coming down the rapids. Which way he's going to break out. Choose a line down here. Pull the water across. Lovely. Ride the rapid. So here we are at Armathwaite Rapid. I nearly went down this backwards by accident, but we managed to avoid it. Not a nice weir to be washed down. Gonna line the boat down here. We've got to the final weir at Armathwaite, and we decided not to run it to portage it, but now we've got to the get back in after the portage, and there's just far too many overhanging trees given the height of the water. So as painful as it is, we've decided that we're going to have to get off the water here, and we're taking ourselves on what is probably the most gnarly portage I've ever done. We're going to end up carrying the boats probably about a mile to get to the place near the road. It's going to be interesting, but hey, we'll get on with it.